Quality differences. If the wicker is weaved properly, the piece will be more durable and more able to withstand wear and tear. If the weave is poor, the slivers will start to crack and fray. A loose weave will result in a poor quality piece and will need to be replaced more often. The tighter the weave, the longer the furniture will last. Variety of product. Wicker refers to any piece of woven furniture. It is not a plant from which certain furniture is made. Rattan. It's the largest source of wicker fabrication. Harvesting of rattan occurs between 7 to 15 years of growth. Unlike bamboo, rattan has a solid core. It relies on surrounding plant life, has spiny texture, and the spines act as hooks to aid in climbing over other plants and growth. 70% of rattan population is grown in Indonesia. Other countries that grow rattan are the Philippines, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and Bangladesh. It is lightweight, durable, and flexible. Cane. It comes from the stem of rattan. It is lightweight, durable, and flexible as well, and it's used primarily in chair seat weaving, seat backing, and in wrap joints of furniture. There are multiple kinds of cane seating, and some of the examples are the hand cane or hole-to-hole cane, the spline cane or pressed cane, which basically means that it has been pre-woven onto a loom and placed in the furniture piece, and the snowflake cane. Rush. Rush is a tall grass-like plant. It has a hollow core, and natural rush is called cattail. And it's used for weaving a chair seating such as the one in the picture below. Sustainability. INBAR, or the International Network for Bamboo and Rattan, is a green organization that is working towards using rattan and bamboo in many different ways. They are pushing the establishment of rattan enterprises to help the people in the jungle areas escape poverty. The use of rattan materials is not only helping the environment, but also the people who live in its habitat. Rattan grows at a rapid pace year-round, and it is a completely natural material, which makes it environmentally friendly. The furniture made from these materials is also biodegradable and renewable, and the process to make them is non-toxic. If the furniture is treated and cared for properly, it will remain in good condition, refraining from the need to replace it often. The ADA considerations. The only concern for the disabled would be the amount of space needed for the person to move around in the residence. As stated earlier, there needs to be a clearance of 36 inches to move around the furniture, and 60 inches for an unobstructed turnaround for a wheelchair. Fire codes. Since all the materials used to make wicker furniture are thin wooden materials, they naturally have a low resistance to fire. It is important to make sure they are able to resist flame spread by treating them with a fire retardant finish. Wicker furniture is most often considered Class B or C, so it is appropriate for residential and commercial spaces. The end.